Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are here to discuss about a question called removing stars from a string. Question number 2390, and let's jump into the question. You are given a string S which consists of stars. In one operation, you can choose a star in S, remove the closest non-star character to its left, as well as remove the star itself. Okay, so return the string after all stars have been removed. The input will be generated such that operation is always possible. It can be shown that resulting string will always be unique. Okay. So question is kind of simple to understand but tricky to write the code. Let's see. So they have given us a string, okay, where it contains some characters like A, B, and a star, C, and a star D. Okay. So what we need to do is we need to we need to remove stars. Okay, we need to remove stars. We have two stars. This is one, this is one. When you are removing the star, what we need to do is, along with the star, we need to remove the closest. We need to remove the closest non-star. Closest non-star. Okay, which means closest alphabet, I hope. Right. Closest non-star on left side, not randomly. Okay, we need to remove it from left side, guys. Left side. Okay, so let's see. We have A, B, next star. So when we got star, which character you will remove? Obviously, B. So you will only have A. Okay, you will only have A. Basically, you have A and B. Next, you encountered a star, which means B got removed. What was the next thing? C. Okay, let's skip C. Next encountered a star, which means C got removed. Next is D. So we write D. So at the end of the day, what we have in our string? A, D. A and D. This is what we need to return. This is what we need to return, guys. Okay. I hope the question is clear now, right? Now let's see what we can be done. So even in the examples, you can see here. Okay. So initially L. So let's write a new string. L was there. Next E. Next is E. Next is also E. Next is also a normal character. Now encounters our first star. When you encounter this star, what you need to do? Whatever the left side items are there, from that first one, which means obviously the beside one, right? Yes, so this T is gone. So initially you have L, E, E, T. The last character has been removed. Next character is star again. So this T has been removed, which means we don't have anything. We don't have this anymore here. Okay. We have only L, E, E. Now again we encountered a star. Last character remove again. Last character remove that again. Remove that again. Let's remove that. Now we have C. So copy the C, copy O, get this D added. Now again you have star. What was the last character? D. Remove it. Next thing E. Keep E. So at the end of the day, your string will be L E C O E. This is what we need to return. I hope you understood what we have to do. As you all know, we cannot modify this string. We cannot modify this string because strings are immutable. Immutable in Java. This is a very basic thing. Everyone knows this immutability, right? So what we have to do? What we have to do? So simple thing. Use an array. Okay. So what we will do is same thing, guys. Same take. Let's take the same thing. This is the initial one. I will create an array, empty array of same size. Size. Okay. In my array, if it is a character, if it is not a star, if it is not a star, if it is not a star, I will simply add it. So initially I'm at 0th index. Initially I'm at 0th index. So let's say this is my ith pointer. This is my jth pointer. This is my jth pointer, and this is my ith pointer. Now initialize L. L is a is it L a star? No, it's a non-star. So I will add L. I will add L. Next, I'll go to index 1. J is moving to index 1. And I will also move to next index. Okay. This pointer is I'm calling as I. And here I'm calling it as J. I is moved to next value E. Is it a star? It's not a star. So add it as it is. Now again go to index 2. Now here also go to next index. Again E. What you have to do? Add this E. Okay. And go to the next value, next index 3. Now it is T. Add T. Add T. Go to next index. Now you got what you have got. What you have got? We got star. Before we go for this one, every time what we are doing in J index, guys, every time what we are doing, we are adding the current character and going to the next place. Why we are going to the next place, next index? Because to add a new character, right? So initially if you observe, I have added L and I moved to next index 1. Why? Because to add a new character E. Okay. Every time we are adding a new character in the empty space. Okay. I hope this is clear to everyone. Whenever you encounter star, should you add this into this one? No, we should not add this. Okay. We should not. We should not add this. Okay. We don't add. If it is equal to star, if it is equal to star, don't add. Okay. But what is one more thing? We need to remove the last character, right? Whatever the last character that we have from this side, T. So you need to remove this T. How we will remove? How we will remove? So what we can do is, right now I am at index 4. I am waiting to insert new character here. Okay, I am waiting to insert a new character here. But what I will do when I encounter a star is I will simply go to my previous place. I will simply go to my previous place. I am going to my previous place. Why I am going to previous index? Because this T is not a valid one now. I can insert a new character here. Right? That's what we are doing. Okay, that's what we are doing here. That's what we are doing here. So whenever I encountered a star, I will not insert. I will not insert. And along with that, I will go one step back because the last one from left side, the first one from left, right? So for this star, first one from left is T. So the last one, whatever it is there, I should remove this. So no need to remove it. I can replace this with a new character. So I will go to the next character again. It is again a star. What I should do? Go to the next one. So here initially it was E. But what happens now? Let's see. I'll go to next one. C. Whenever you encountered C, what you need to do? You need to place this C. Where you will place? At jth index you will place. J is pointing to index 2. So this will go. This will go. Okay, this will become empty. And on top of this one, you will get C. You will get C. Okay. And next thing, let's erase this one. Next, after this, what we will do, guys? After this, what we will do? After this, J will increase to next character. Okay. Whenever you are adding a character, C is done. So we have added C here. We have added C here. And after adding C, what you will do? Go to the next index. Next index is 3. What was the next one? O. Whenever you encounter O, what you will do? Whenever you encounter O, what you will do? Here it was T, but what happens is this is overridden by O. Okay. We are not removing it, but we are overwriting. Overwriting. So we are placing a character and increasing J++. Why we are increasing J++? To place a new character. So whenever I encountered a star, I will simply decrease J, which means I'll remove. Obviously, whenever I go back, it will place a new character there, right? So that's what the idea here, guys. I hope you understand this particular logic. Now let's code this one. As I said, character array. Okay. And and let's call it as answer equal to new char of how much size? S dot length. S dot length. After that, for loop for iterating on S dot S array. As I said, we have two pointers and one more pointer is for J, which is pointing to your character array. So if S dot char at I, if it is equal to star, what you will do? Okay, what you will do? Don't add star, remove last, okay, remove first character from current index to left side. Okay, from current index to left side, first character should be removed. Okay, how we will, we don't add star means you don't need to write any code. How you will remove? Simple thing. Do a j minus minus. By doing j minus minus, what happens is we will go to previous index. When I go to previous index, that value will be overridden. How? By using this one. Now char of j equal to s dot char at ith place and j plus plus. So we are adding a current character and going to the next index. So whenever you are doing j minus minus, it will go to the first character from current index, right? Obviously, we are not adding star, which means the character array won't have any stars there. Okay. So what it will have is the first non-star character in the character array. It is not char, it is answer. And then what we need to do, we need to return a new string of answer from 0 to jth position. 0 to jth position. Okay. Now let's run this one. That's all, guys. This is how we solve this particular question. I hope the approach and this code is clear to everyone. So let's meet in the next video. Till then, see you guys.